Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will walk through the JNC-IPN syllabus so you know exactly what to study and where to focus before the exam. Overview of the JNC-IPN exam syllabus and domain weights. Border Gateway Protocol BGP is 25%. Interior Gateway Protocols IGP are 20%. Ethernet Switching and Spanning Tree is 20%. IP Multicast is 15%. Layer 2 Authentication and Access Control is 10%. And IP Management is 10%. Each domain lists difficulty, estimated learning time, and assessment type so you can plan study time accordingly. Border Gateway Protocol BGP carries 25% of the exam and is rated hard with an estimated 40 hours of learning and hands-on plus conceptual assessment. You will learn BGP operations including message types, the BGP state machine, and the path selection algorithm along with attributes like as path, next hop and origin. The syllabus emphasizes attribute manipulation with policy, local preference and MED configuration, and both eBGP and iBGP peer relationships. You will also study scaling and performance topics such as route reflection, confederations, community tagging, regular expressions for path filtering, and practical troubleshooting of peering and routing. Interior Gateway Protocols IGP make up 20% of the exam and are rated hard with about 35 hours of study and hands-on plus conceptual assessment. For OSPF you will cover the link state database, LSA types, adjacency requirements, area types including stub and NSSA, OSPF 3 for IPv6, summarization, external routing, and SPF calculation behavior. For IS the syllabus covers PDUs and TLVs, Level 1 and Level 2 adjacencies, NET addressing, route leaking between levels, and IS multi-topology for IPv6. Expect hands-on tasks to build and debug adjacencies, tune SPF behavior, and validate route leaking and summaries. Ethernet switching and spanning tree account for 20%, rated medium difficulty with approximately 30 hours and scenario-based assessment. You will learn advanced STP variants such as MSTP and VLAN spanning tree interoperability, BPDU protection, route protect, loop protect NUDLD, and methods to troubleshoot STP convergence. Layer 2 feature coverage includes Ethernet ring protection ERPG, 8032, VLAN stacking and kink, virtual chassis and virtual chassis fabric, LACP operations, and advanced bridging troubleshooting. The emphasis is on designing stable Layer 2 fabrics and solving real-world loop and convergence scenarios. IP Multicast is 15%, rated hard with about 30 hours and hands-on plus conceptual assessment. The focus is on PIM protocols including PIM sparse mode and source-specific multicast, IGMP2 and IGMP3 operations, and reverse path forwarding checks for multicast reachability. You will learn how to design and select a rendezvous point, implement Anycast RP and MSDP, and scale multicast deployments while troubleshooting forwarding and RPF failures. Practical labs should include group membership, RP placement, and verifying multicast distribution trees. Layer 2 authentication and access control makes up 10%, rated medium with 20 hours and scenario-based assessment. This domain covers 802.1x configuration and troubleshooting, MAC radius authentication, captive portal deployment, and dynamic VLAN assignment tied to radius servers like ClearPass or FreeRadius. You will practice integrating authentication with network access control, validating dynamic VLANs, and handling real-world edge security scenarios. Emphasis is on securing the enterprise edge through port-based controls and robust radius integration. IP management is 10%, rated easy with about 15 hours and a mix of conceptual and scenario-based assessment. Topics include VRRP for gateway redundancy, BFD for rapid failure detection, graceful restart and non-stop active routing, and unified in-service software upgrade ISU. You will also learn about IP SLA monitoring and how these high-availability features work together to provide resilient enterprise gateways. Focus on configuring and testing redundancy, failover timings, and monitoring to ensure service continuity. That covers the full JNC-IPN syllabus and domain breakdown. Use the provided percentages, difficulties, assessment types and estimated hours to build a study plan that prioritizes BGP and IGP while leaving room for labs in multicast and Layer 2 features. Good luck preparing for the exam and remember to balance conceptual study with hands-on practice.